Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add captions to your videos but didn't want to spend a ton of money or time messing with complicated software, you're absolutely in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add free captions to your videos using Canva, and trust me, by the end of this video you'll be able to do it like a pro. Let's get started right away. First things first, go to Canva. Just open up your browser and head to canva.com. Canva is super popular for creating all kinds of content, and now they've made it incredibly easy to work with videos too, which is perfect for what we're doing today. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for a free one. It just takes a second, so don't worry if you haven't done this before. Once you're inside Canva, look for the big, bold Create button, usually up in the top right corner of the screen. Give that a click. You'll see a bunch of different design options pop up: posters, Instagram stories, all sorts of things. But since we're working with video, you want to select videos from the list. This tells Canva we want to create or edit a video project, which unlocks some really handy video-specific tools. It's like setting the right workspace before you start, so you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Next up, it's time to upload your video. Now this is a crucial step. Make sure the video you upload has clear audio. The reason this matters is because the caption generator in Canva relies on the audio track to figure out exactly what's being said. If your audio is muffled, has a lot of background noise, or isn't very clear, the captions might not turn out quite right. So double check that your video sounds good. The clearer the audio, the more accurate your captions will be. Don't stress if it isn't studio quality, just do your best. With your video uploaded, let's move on to the fun part, adding captions. Look on the left side of your screen for the Apps button. It's usually tucked away in that sidebar. Give it a click and you'll open up a treasure trove of extra tools and integrations that Canva offers. In the search bar at the top, go ahead and type the word caption. It should bring up an option or an app that allows you to generate captions for your video. Click on it to open up the caption generator. Now all that's left is to hit Generate Caption. By clicking this, Canva is going to work its magic and automatically create captions based on the audio in your video. This part might take a few moments, especially if your video is on the longer side, so hang tight while Canva processes everything. When it's done, you'll see captions appear synced up with your video, all for free. If they need a little tweaking, you can manually edit any words or timing just to get it perfect. And that's really all there is to it. You've just added professional-looking captions to your video in Canva. No expensive software, no tech headaches. Captions not only make your videos more accessible, but can also seriously boost engagement, especially for viewers who might be watching without sound. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more straightforward tutorials just like this one, make sure to subscribe before you go. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.